All right, our next trend is electron affinity. Electron affinity is kind of the opposite of ionization energy. Instead of taking an electron away, we're going to give the element another electron. So electron affinity is a measure of how much an atom, put in quote, wants to gain an electron. Overall, this trend's not too important. Later on, we'll learn a trend called electronegativity, which is going to be much more important than this trend. But, it's in the textbook. It's in every textbook. So here it is. There are the values there. The more negative the number, that means it releases energy. And so that's more favorable. So a more negative number is going to be more it kind of wants an electron. As you can see in these trends, there's lots of weirdness. The general trend, though, is that the closer we are to a filled valence shell, the more it wants an electron. So for example, right, our halogens, right, you can see that they're quite negative numbers because if they just gain one more electron, then they have a filled valence shell. Something like our group 1 metals don't really want to gain an electron, so their values aren't nearly as high. Again, there's a lot of weirdness here. Just the general trend is the closer you are to a filled valence shell, the more you want an electron. Not the most important trend, though.